welcome back to Jackson's Clubhouse. Today we are playing with this awesome remote control car.
Woo!
So we got this from my grandpa a few weeks ago. It may have been a month ago. So welcome to Jackson's Clubhouse. Today you can see what we're playing with: a remote control car, full battery.
Wow.
And so
Six
let's
wheels.
do an overview. Six wheel. It's a six wheeler. Look. 3. The other side is 3. Let's have an overview. So, let me show you. So this is the actual part of where it dumps.
So you could carry some cool stuff back there?
Then there's this weight button. I don't know what it does. Maybe you can leave down in the comments below what this button does, or this one. So the front of it has like this blue glass stuff on it, some stickers. That's just like a blue glass thing.
Does it light up when you go forward?
Yeah, it does. Look.
Wow!
It was about to fly right into the camera.
Love it.
So let's play with it now.
Okay.
Let's get it. This is completely flat. Okay, we did it around this tiny part of our garden. Now we're gonna do it around our whole block.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna do it, instead of doing it around the block, we're gonna have to do it straight, because if we can have it run over a car if we do it around the block, so.
Wow, this thing's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Hi, dude.